These are food, right? They're not decorative?
Like,
Ah! Hey folks, we're in the Lebua State Tower in Bangkok, Thailand, and we're going to give you a quick room tour. So let's check it out right about now. And so you can tell we're on the 54th floor. Walking inside, big mirror and a sitting room. You can see they delivered our luggage, little sitting area, table. That's nice, I can get some work done here. So good start so far. And they did give us a personal note. It was our pleasure to welcome you to the Lebua Hotel, Lebua. On behalf of the team, wish you a pleasant stay. And then some macaroons and things. Now let's peek in here. Kitchenette, glassware, microwave and fridge. That is stocked with sodas and things. That's nice. Slide this open. Amy, what are you doing in here?
make myself comfortable.
You already, as soon as you get into a hotel room, you're just like, I'm taking off my clothes.
It's nice. You got tub. You got the cool little like shower yourself off thing. Toilet. Shower. All of the soaps and lotion and everything is Balmain, so that's pretty classy. Very exciting.
Couple waters. That's a big shower. That's a good sized glass shower.
We could invite friends.
We're gonna have to make friends. Then the
Telephone.
yeah, there's a telephone in there. And of course the room itself. Pretty nice, right? It looks like a king size bed plus. A little Shea lounge. Oh, computer desk, TV, and here's the big selling point. The view of Thailand. This is the hotel that they showed in the Hangover 2 when they caught Mr. Chao. We have the River View room. It's fun, I'm from Riverview. And we are on the 54th floor. How cool is that, right? All right. Now with this, we get included breakfast, included lunch, included tea time, and all the drinks we can handle. Trying to shut the door, pulling the wrong way. There we go. And all the drinks we can handle in the lounge.
The fridge is stocked too.
Yeah, it's pretty cool.
Green tea, lemon tea.
Mr. T.
Yeah. Coke,
All right.
Sprite, Nespresso.
All right, folks, we hope you enjoyed the tour. Go check it out. You won't be disappointed.